friends, welcome to my channel Nature Wise. So before we begin, let us have some activity time. I hope you all love activities. Yes? Okay, so let us begin. Here you have to name the trees or the plants. I am going to show you some pictures and you just have to name them. So let us begin. The first plant. This is a very known and common plant that you all might have in your houses. Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. This is tulsi, that is also known as holy basil. The next one. Can you tell me what is this? Come on, think. Yes, you're right again. This is the giloy. Now can you tell me what is this? This is a very easy one. Yes, you're right. This is the banana leaf. And the last one. Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. These are the mint leaves. So before we begin, I have a question for all of you. Whenever you water plants, what happens to the water? Have you ever wondered? Okay, so let us see. Yes, you're right. The water is absorbed by the plant. But after that, what happens? Let us see. The water is used by the plant to make food. But sometimes when you give too much of water to the plant, what happens to the water and what happens to the plant? Have you ever thought? When you give extra water to the plants, the water cannot be used, as if they use too much of water, they will die. That is why they gave out water in form of water vapor. And what is this process called? Yes, you're right. This process is called as transpiration. So our today's topic is Transpiration by Sabhyata Sharma, grade 6. So let us see our today's learning aims. Today we're going to learn what is transpiration and why is it important for the plants. So before we continue, can you tell me what is transpiration? Yes, you're right. Let us see. Transpiration is the process by which leaves give out extra water from their surface. So here you have to remember that transpiration is the process by which leaves. You have to remember leaves. Leaves give out extra water from their surface. So let us continue. Let us see what really happens during the process of transpiration. As you can see that the gardener is watering water to the plant. Now what happens to the water? The water is absorbed by the roots of the plant. Now slowly the water travels through the stem in all the branches and the leaves. But when there is extra water, the water evaporates from the surface because of the sun's heat, and this process is called as transpiration. Isn't it easy? Yes. Did you understand what is transpiration? I hope so, yes. Now, do you know why is transpiration important for the plants? Yes, so let us see. The importance of transpiration. It removes the extra water from the plants and it helps the plants to remain cool. Now, let us do a quick recap. Transpiration is the process by which the leaves give out extra water from their surface, or which they do not need. So you have to remember that transpiration is the process by which leaves give out extra water, which means the water they do not need by their surface. And transpiration is important as it helps the plants to remain cool and removes the extra water. Now, if you all are clear, shall we have a quiz? Yes. Question number 1. How do leaves of the plant get water? Option A, sun. Option B, roots. Option B, flower. Or is it option B, fruits? Do you know which one is it? Yes, you're right. It is roots. So leaves of the plants get water from their roots. Question number 2. Which part of the plant performs transpiration? I'll repeat. Which part of the plant performs transpiration? Is it the roots, the stem, the leaves, or is it the branches? You're right again. It is the leaves. Question number 3. Transpiration is loss of water from the plants, making food, growing of plants, or is it watering the plants? So what do you think is transpiration? Yes, you're right. Transpiration is the process by which loss of water is taken place from the plants. So I hope you understood the topic of transpiration. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share and comment on my video. Bye. Meet you next time.